Hello, grade 9 students. So right now I want to explain to you how to make your raw data table until graph. So the first one, this part 1, I will teach you how to make the raw data table. So the first one is focus on the title. Okay, for the title, you have to consider the IDV of the title. In this sample, I took the IDV, which is the thickness of the paper, but later you have to change based on your independent variable that you designed in the previous week. And then this is the RF value as your dependent variables. Okay, the second one, you have to take a look the first column. So in this column, you have to put your independent variables and don't forget to put the unit. So if you use pH, and then if you didn't find any unit in the tool, so you just leave it. But if you use some measurement tools like ruler or caliper, like I use it to measure the thickness of the paper, so it means you have to put the unit. And then you have to insert the value of your independent variables. Okay, so the third one, I want to ask you to put your distance of solvent, which is water, and distance of ink. For every trials, you have 5 trials maximum that you have to fill in your raw data. And then the next one is RF value. Just for example, I delete the RF value here, and then we will try to work together. Now, the formula of RF value is the distance of ink, and then you divide it with the distance of the solvent or water. So it's simple. You just put it equals, open the bracket, find the distance of the ink, select, and then divide it by the distance of the solvent, and then you just close the bracket, and then you enter. Now you got the value, and you can find there are two types of plus, white plus and then black plus. So you have to pick the black plus, and then click it, hold it, and drag it, and then you can see the Excel will produce the value by itself. Later you can copy, Ctrl C, and Ctrl V, Ctrl V, Ctrl V, and Ctrl V. And right now you got the raw data table.